Other unique features. Under other unique features, there are three areas: fiduciary responsibilities, control by government, and risk. Fiduciary responsibility. A fiduciary is someone who has undertaken to act for or and or behalf of another in a particular manner in circumstances which give rise to a relationship of trust and confidence. In most cases, fiduciary has power or discretion. Fiduciary can exercise power or discretion unilaterally so as to affect the beneficiary's interests. Beneficiary is particularly vulnerable or dependent upon the fiduciary. Any business has a responsibility to its customer. Banks have a much greater responsibility because the customer look to banks for this advice, especially about money. It has wider range of impact. You can impact the whole public, a large portion of people. It is responsible to the borrowers and the depositors. Control by government. Financial service can affect a nation's well-being. For example, the impact of 2008 subprime crisis on US economy. It was a devastating blow on the financial, but it in turn affect the whole US economy, and a lot of people suffered during the time. So here comes the MAS, the central bank. It has to regulate the financial institutions' operation for the benefit of the country and the people. Advising and selling of financial products. For example, housing loans, car loans, and credit cards. The examples of financial service are banking, insurance, investment products, capital market products. To adhere to the Securities and Futures Act, basically this law, and Financial Advisors Act. Risk. Purchase of financial services is often riskier because it's infrequent, complex, and important to an individual because it is concerned about money. Example, mortgage loan. Most of us, mortgage loan to most of us is a very big deal. It's a big uh, loan because to buy a house, it costs a lot to buy a house in Singapore. So mortgage loan is a big deal for most of us.